Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 29th, 2024. We have already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cipher Block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one you are interested, the binary puzzle number 8273. 8273. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 18. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 ones in the first column, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O here, one there, one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.